So I'm Michallia Marks. I'm a second-year student in the Digital Business Management program. So I wanted to attend the Student Leadership Retreat because I've always had an interest in leadership. And when the opportunity came about, I believe that it was a phenomenal opportunity to take advantage of. I even have friends who have attended in previous years, and they were so excited about it. And so I wanted to share that excitement also. One of the skills that I was trying to improve upon going to this student leadership retreat was my networking skills. I am naturally an introvert, but being an introvert doesn't mean I'm shy, but I really believe in networking. There's so much value in building a strong network. Going to this retreat, I met persons from so many different backgrounds, from so many different programs, and I learned a lot from them. And I believe that there was so much beauty in our differences, and so that's one of the skills that I really owned and developed there. So I actually found out about the Student Leadership Retreat in 2016 when I was in Jamaica researching about Humber College, and I was on the school's website just becoming more familiar with the school, and I came across the Student Leadership Retreat, and I realized that they have I believe 3 paths, and the path 3 was a leadership retreat. And even then, when I was in the process of applying, I said I want to attend this retreat when I come to Humber College, and in 2019 it was a reality. So my favorite part of the retreat was skiing. I went skiing for the first time, and that was pretty interesting. And our instructor kept on saying, when you're about to fall forward. And so even a lot of us, almost all of us, we fell. But we didn't laugh at each other. We were cheering on each other. You got this, you got this. Persons were helping up each other. So we were really like a team. And for me, that was a life lesson where even in life, when you're about to fall or even fail, you fail forward or you fall forward. So that was pretty an interesting lesson that I will take with me for life. Since attending the Student Leadership Retreat, I've really built some great connections. Most of the persons that I was in the skiing group with, we connect frequently on Instagram, and sometimes we have movie outings or all of those things, go for a drink and all of those things. So I've really built some great connections from the Student Leadership Retreat, and I believe that some of these friendships, it will last for a while. It will definitely last for a while. I recommend students to attend the Student Leadership Retreat because it is an amazing opportunity not only to meet persons from different backgrounds and persons from different programs, but it also helps to develop your leadership skills, and not only leadership skills, but you as a person, essential transferable life skills that will be essential not only in your academic life, but also in your professional life. And it is really an amazing opportunity. And a few years from now, I'll still remember some of the moments that I had at the retreat.
Hehehe